Hello there. I've had the Q4 for about a year and a half, and finally there's something happened which is going to require it to go into the dealership. It's nothing major, but I thought I'd do a little update on it anyway. So, weirdly, it's developed a slight buzzing noise, like a vibration sound, above 55 miles an hour. At first, I wasn't sure if it was the car itself or if it was the exhaust of a car in front, because it sounds kind of distant and it's not particularly loud. But once you become aware of it, it's definitely there, and it's definitely from the front of the car. And as luck would have it, it's needing new wiper blades anyway, and there was a message on the dash saying that I needed to replace the battery and the key. So I've got it booked in to the dealership in about 10 days' time, and they're going to investigate the noise as well. And the nosy part of me wanted to have a wee look anyway and see if I could work out what it was. So I got out the old ramps from Halfords, stuck it on the ramps, and had a look underneath, and it's pretty boring. You can't see anything, nothing loose, just flat panels everywhere. There's nothing immediately obvious to be the cause of the noise. The rest of this video is just me trying to see if we can hear it whilst recording the video. So this is just audio recorded on my phone, and I'm aware of the noise because I know what it sounds like. It's a slight droning noise. You possibly hear it coming and going, but you might not. As I said, it's not particularly annoying, but it is there. That's all I've got for you in this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.